success people right now. I've titled about greedy characters. Okay, my complete title is The Allure and Downfall of Greedy Characters. A deep dive into human natures. Okay, how you can anticipate about the greedy characters for your better life in the future. Okay, stay calm and enjoy my content. Okay, guys, the concept of greed and its portrayal in literature, film, and real life scenarios has long fascinated and repelled individuals across the world. Greedy characters, whether they are villains in a story or real life figures, have left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. So, this article delves into multifaceted nature of greed and explores the reasons behind the enduring fascinations with greedy characters, from the rich tapestries of their motivations to their ultimate downfalls. Okay, let's define the meaning of greed. Greed at its core is an insatiable desire for more. It transcends mere ambition, as it is an unquenchable thirst for wealth, power, or possessions. So greedy characters are often depicted as willing to trample on the well-being of others to satisfy their voracious appetites. And the archetypal greedy character is Scrooge from Charles Dickens' Christmas Carol, who hoards wealth and cares little for the suffering of those around him. So, what about the motivation behind greed? Do you know? Okay, if you don't know, let me inform you. Okay, the sum of motivation behind greed. The first one is the fear of scarcity. Okay, what does it mean, fear of scarcity? A common driving force behind greed is the fear of scarcity. Okay, where in a world where resources are limited and competition is fierce, some individuals develop an intense desire to accumulate as much as they can to secure their own future. This underlying anxiety can transform individuals into greedy characters, making them accumulate wealth to the detriment of others. Okay, and the second motivation behind greed is societal pressure. Okay, what does it mean, societal pressure? Society often rewards material success and opulence. Greedy characters may arise from societal pressure to conform to these standards, pushing them to accumulate wealth and possession to gain social approval and validations. And the third motivation behind greed is the allure of power. Okay, what does it mean, the allure of power? Do you know, guys? Where greed for power is another driving force, as It grants individuals control over others. Ambitious individuals may resort to ruthless tactics, sacrificing moral principle to actions the social and corporate hierarchy. Okay, and greedy can be portrayed, or can you can see, yeah, greedy character in the literature and film, right? Okay, greedy characters have been a staple in literature and film for centuries. Some of the most iconic literary villains, such as Lego in Shakespeare's Othello and Lady Macbeth in Macbeth, are motivated by their unrelenting greed. In contemporary literature, characters like Garden Gecko from Wall Street and Walter White from Breaking Bad illustrates the multifaceted nature of greed, delving into the moral dilemmas that come with it. Okay, so in this story, the fall from grace is a recurring theme. Greedy characters often experience moral decay, suffering the consequences of their actions. This moral degradation is a cautionary tale for readers and viewers, highlighting the destructive nature of unchecked greed. And what about real life greedy characters? Yeah, have you seen, guys? Yeah, beyond the realm of fictions, history is replete with real life greedy characters whose actions have left a lasting impact. Figures like Bernie Madoff, who orchestrated one of the largest financial frauds in history, and Enron, Kenneth Lay, and Jeffrey Skilling, who presided over a massive corporate scandal, epitomize the dangers of unbridled greed. These individuals often exploit the trust and resources of others for their personal gain, causing immense harm in the process. The downfall of greedy characters is a common narrative arc in both fiction and reality. The consequence of their actions can range from legal penalties to social isolations, loss of relationships, and a deep sense of moral bankruptcy. In stories, redemption is sometimes possible, such as in the case of Ebenezer Scrooge transformations in A Christmas Carol. However, in the real world, the path to redemption for greedy individuals is often more arduous. So we can conclude that the portrayal of greedy character in literature, film, and real life serve reflections of human nature and stark reminder of the potential consequence of unchecked ambitions. The enduring fascinations with such character is rooted in our collective recognition of the duality of human desires. Greed is complex, universal emotion, one that drives individuals to extraordinary heights and devastating lows. So, by exploring the motivations and repercussions of greed, we can better understand this facet of our humanity and work toward a more balanced and ethical approach to our desires for wealth, power, and possessions. In doing so, we may prevent ourselves from becoming the very greedy characters we so often vilify and fear. Okay, guys, hope you um, can get the wisdom or lesson of life from the greedy characters, so you can be aware about the danger of greedy characters, yeah, in someone, even in uh, yourself, right? Okay, hope you like, yeah, share this content to anyone, anywhere, and don't forget to give me subscribe for growing my YouTube channel. Have a nice day, have a nice retirement, have nice happy ending life. See you, bye bye.